Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of lingerie with the Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear. Known for its elegance and comfort, this piece has garnered attention as one of the best lace options in the market. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear is designed to blend softness with seduction. Made from elastic floral lace and mesh materials, it's crafted to be gentle on the skin while offering a flattering fit. The design features floral lace cups adorned with cute bow details, adjustable shoulder straps for a customized fit, and a flowing asymmetrical hemline that adds a touch of allure. One of the standout features is the open front styling, perfect not just as lingerie but also as maternity wear, allowing expectant mothers to feel both comfortable and beautiful. The wireless lace cups, matching sheer G-string, and the attention to detail make this piece both sexy and elegant. Crafted with machine-washable materials, this lingerie is as practical as it is stylish. The lace is delicate yet durable, ensuring it retains its shape and appeal even after multiple wears and washes. It's designed to be breathable and lightweight, ideal for those special nights where comfort is as important as appearance. The Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear isn't just for the bedroom. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various occasions. Whether you're surprising your partner or simply treating yourself to a luxurious evening at home, the lace detailing adds a touch of sophistication, while the flattering cut enhances your natural curves. According to feedback, customers appreciate the softness of the fabric and the thoughtfulness of the design. It's been praised for its true-to-size fit and how it makes wearers feel confident and beautiful. The absence of underwires ensures comfort without compromising on support. To wrap up, the Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear is more than just lingerie. It's a statement of elegance and sensuality. Whether you're looking to spice up your intimate moments or simply indulge in luxurious comfort, this piece delivers on both fronts. Its quality, comfort, and timeless design make it a worthwhile addition to any wardrobe. If you're interested in adding a touch of sophistication to your lingerie collection, check out the link in the description below to explore more about the Avidlove Lace Babydoll Sleepwear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.